say something controversial if you want. Please don't. Birds aren't real. Adrestia is a collective hallucination. I am a collective hallucination that somehow penetrated the machinations of your mind by becoming a brain parasite that you consumed through an apple that you had 25 years ago, and I have never left your brain since then. Pigeons are drones? Adrestia, get out of my head. No. I am your brain worm. I am your brain magpie. The brain bird. The bird brain. I just got rid of all my brain worms. Too bad!